Hey guys, this is Blake from Beauty and Style Network, and happy Halloween! Today we're doing a Halloween special this or that episode.
Candy corn or pumpkin Reese's?
Pumpkin Reese's. Anything that has a different shape in a Reese's cup is automatically better. Reese's, definitely.
Ghosts or witches?
Ooh, I'm gonna go with witches because if I was gonna dress up as one, I would definitely say I'd want to wear a cute witch hat, so witches.
Hocus Pocus or Beetlejuice?
Hocus Pocus, I feel like that is just a classic. I watch it probably 5 times around this time of year and I love it. It's just a good one to watch.
Pumpkin patch or costume party?
I'm gonna go with both on that. I'm gonna say pumpkin patch during the day and then fun costume party that night. Both.
The Conjuring or Nightmare on Elm Street?
Ooh, probably The Conjuring because I feel like I get more of a thrill from that one. I feel like that one makes me a little bit more scared, so I'm gonna go with that one.
Carving or painting pumpkins?
I'm gonna go with both again, and that's why you get 2 pumpkins. So you can paint one and carve one. It's the perfect date night. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to Beauty and Style Network and comment down below your favorite Halloween tradition. Don't forget to ring the bell to get all of our notifications when we upload, and I'll see you next Wednesday.